What's up? Hi, nice to meet you. How are you? My name is Amanda. I am a teacher. I work at Springford High School. I wear glasses. I don't like to mock. I have a dog and a cat. I eat tasty salad. I drink water too. Have a boy, he is in school. We love nap time. We like to read. We like to go to the mall to get shoes and clothes. We vacation to the ocean.